Good morning, class of 2029. We're so excited you're here. In the past, in years past, it's been everybody that starts school on the same day, but we set it up a few years back where it's just freshmen, and they come in to this orientation with their link leaders. Now, link leaders are people that are trained by me and Mrs. Cassidy over the summer for 2 full days, and they're ready to take on this challenge of helping freshmen on the first day of school.
Today we're touring the freshmen and we're doing some activities, so we each get like a group of freshmen. So I have like 7 people and I'm just like making them hopefully feel more like welcome and like doing activities to like tour them around too.
As a freshman, obviously I was new and I didn't really know many people. It's hard coming into a whole new school, so I was definitely kind of nervous, and I mean, Link Crew just made it so much easier and more fun. And now that I'm a Link Crew leader, I just love being able to be that person for other kids because I know how it feels.
We follow this thing called the group development model. So it might just seem like we're out there playing Simon Says and goofing around, but it's very systematic and it's very orderly, and it's based on this thing called the group development model by Bruce Tuckman. And basically we start with low risk activities and we build throughout the day to higher risk activities. So when we get to the end, the students feel more comfortable and they're probably sharing a whole lot more than they would in the morning.
Group 9!
When I first walked into the doors, I was like, I'm not trying to be here. I was really nervous. I don't really like school. But now I'm getting kind of used to it, and it's been fun.
When I walked in, I was pretty nervous, and like I wanted to see what it was like, but I kind of eased into the day, and I'm pretty comfortable now.
I think it was fine because my sister's a Link Crew leader, so she kind of like told me all about it, and I like my group, so I'm fine. I like it so far.
This row right here, you are going to turn 180 degrees. So you can see a little nervousness, you can feel it, it's anxiety, and we know that that's normal. And that's why we're here, that's why this program exists. But if you pay attention, when you see kids come back, they're gonna be in the classrooms for an hour and a half with their link leaders, and they're gonna get a little bit closer, feel more confident. They're gonna get into these costumes and they're gonna be touring the school. You can see them go from anxious to comfortable even within a few hours. And that's a really cool thing to see. That's how I kind of know, one way that I know that the program kind of works.
Group 18! USA!
Get your glow on!